Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to stop getting emails from Reddit. Let's have a look now. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Reddit website. In the top right corner of the Reddit homepage, click on your username, select Settings. In the Account Settings, click on Emails. Under Email tab, you will find different categories of notifications you might receive via email. To stop receiving emails for a specific type of notification, simply uncheck the corresponding box. If you want to unsubscribe all email notifications, toggle the switch on. It will stop all emails from Reddit. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.